So I thought I'd show you our Traeger grill and smoker and tell you what I really like about it. It's just not like any other grills where you have like a gas grill or charcoal. The taste is okay, but the taste is just much better. This has the pellets that you put in it, and it's just something about it that makes it taste like a wood smoke burn. I don't know. It's just a really good flavor is what I really like about it. If I open up the lid to show you on the inside, it's just unbelievable how much meat you can get on here. I mean, I think we can get like 24 hamburgers on the bottom, and then as you can see, if I put my hand here, how big it is if you want to add chicken or hot dogs or whatever you want to do. And then the other thing that my husband really likes is over here is the control. Obviously that's where you ignite it if you want to do the timer, but when this is on, this will show you the temperature of your meat, and you can connect it to like your phone and see what it is. And then this control, you just push it and it'll turn, you can turn it and adjust it to whatever you want. If you open this, you can see the pellets are in here. And up here, as it says, it'll go up to 500 degrees. But I don't know, it's just the best tasting burgers out of any grill we've ever had. And so far, I am loving it. Also, I should mention down below is where you would take and dump your grease out, which you just pull that out. Super easy to do. I always say if I can do it, anybody can do it. So anyway, we're loving it. I just thought if you were thinking about getting one, hopefully this will help you decide.